Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is Anil Kukureja from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on crude oil. MCX crude has been trading with a higher high formation as the prices have taken support around the upward sloping trend line. Prices should target the resistance of the previous swing highs around the level of 6,550. The momentum indicator RSI has a positive diversion as it moves towards the overbought zone, while the support should be around the level of 20 exponential moving average at 6200, a move below which should negate the bullish bias. Thus, a buy on dip strategy could be used until the price is sustained above the mentioned support. Hence, we expect crude oil to trade with a positive bias for the day ahead. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.